Welcome back to my channel. This is Opening the Vault, and this is my day 5 wash and go using the Twisted Sister Amazing Dream Curl Gel. I did a video on this. That's my last uploaded video, and my hair is going strong. It's super soft, very bouncy. I have a lot of movement. My scalp isn't itchy like at all, and I still have definition. It's really nice. I just need to wash my hair. I usually don't go past day like 5 or 6. So I'm going to do a restorative wash day, and I'm just gonna let you know what I use. I have bleach blonde hair. I don't usually do a lot of like specific protein treatments very often. I do a protein treatment every like once a month. Maybe twice a month if I feel like it, but I feel like it usually ends up being once a month because almost everything in my wash day stash has protein in it. So even if I'm just like shampooing or deep conditioning, it has protein in it already. So like everything I use has protein in it. So I don't really do dedicated protein treatments, but I decided to do one today. So I'm using the Creme of Nature Plex Breakage Defense Step 1 as my pre-poo, and the Creme of Nature Plex Breakage Defense Restoring Shampoo. This is probably one of my favorite shampoos of all time. It does have like, whatchamacallit, it has sulfates in it, but my hair loves sulfates, and sulfates make my hair it doesn't make my hair curlier, but the definition that I get after using a sulfate shampoo is awesome because my hair is just so lightweight. Using the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask. This is a protein mask from Camille Rose. I'm going to section my hair and apply the step 1. I've been using the Creme of Nature Plex system since I first bleached my hair back in August of 2022. And it's been awesome. It's a really strong protein treatment. When I first bleached my hair, I basically used it every wash and go, like every wash day. I was so scared that my hair would just start breaking off if I didn't. But I ended up getting protein overload on bleached hair because I was just doing too much. Like I said, a lot of things in my stash already have protein in them, so doing a dedicated like protein treatment was just overdoing it. So this is my hair when I add a little more water. It still has so much definition, and then I just add as many pumps as I'd like. It's like a serum texture. Let's try this again. And I think this is like my second bottle of the serum, second or third, because it's just really good and it lasts a while because I don't use it as often as I used to. So when I add this serum, I really focus it on my ends and my roots, particularly where my hair goes from like black to blonde. I try to make sure that intersection of hair is relatively strong. And then I just go through and detangle, and then I'll just do that to all 4 sections. So the instructions say to leave it on for 10 minutes, so I'll leave it on for 10 minutes and then I'll jump in the shower.